Hi everybody, this is Kim. I forgot to do this intro, so I have to do a voiceover. Let's get it started.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave comments at the bottom. I'm gonna whiten my teeth. Hopefully it'll work. This is my first time. I bought this from Target a couple of weeks, probably about a month ago, and I just decided to use it today. So let's get into it. Okay, I'm all done. Of course, I'm not gonna see no results. This is just my first time using it, but I can tell you a little bit. I can tell you a little bit about this teeth whitening kit. Okay, it costs $45 at Target. It comes with 14 strip and one blue light device, or whatever they call this thing. It takes 30 minutes for the treatment, 25 minutes just for the strips, and then on the last 5 minutes you use the light. The light has a timer, so after 5 minutes the light will beep and go off, so that lets you know that the 5 minutes is up, which is pretty good because I didn't even know. I set my timer on my phone, so because I didn't know it had a timer. As far as the strips actually stick to your teeth really good. They don't slide around like some teeth whitening strips do. They stick to your teeth really good, as you see. I didn't get any tingling sensation, or my gums don't feel irritated. But I did feel a slight tingle in my mouth. I don't know if that was just the stuff, but I noticed every time I use like teeth whitening strips, my mouth started getting really watery. I don't know why. I don't know if other people experience that. If you do, leave that at the bottom so I know I'm not weird. My lips feel dry, but yeah. Like I said, no bad taste. The strips is easy to apply, and the strips is actually really long, so they kind of cover, all your front teeth and like your first molars. So yeah, you don't have to worry about that. The strips is really, really long. What else so far it's really good. Like I said, I'm not going to see no difference with the first time, but I have read some reviews and people say that they've seen results after, 3 or 4 treatments. So I guess this is to be continued. We shall see, because I am a big coffee drinker. I drink a lot of coffee. I don't really drink sodas, but I do drink juice and I do drink red wine. So we shall see. To be continued with this video. If you use these strips, leave that at the bottom what you think about it. If you use any teeth whitening strips or treatments, leave that at the bottom which I use, because I really want to whiten my teeth and get my teeth pearly white. So leave that at the bottom which I use. This is my first time. I've tried other stuff, but I've never ever actually stuck with it. So bottom, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom. I see y'all in the next one. Peace.